Good morning, guys. Extremely volatile week. Let's go over the watch list that I have been planning for our subscribers one by one and where the market's gonna go within the next few weeks. Obviously, a lot of things are uncertain. I believe Russia just told their military defenses to get ready just in case of a nuclear attack and to be prepared for it. So nothing is really set in stone. As you guys can see, we recently had a huge market rally from, if you watched the prior videos, you guys would have saw that we posted this level 412 in our Discord and also in the prior video that we said that it will hit 412, and that was our target right here, as you can see. So it hit that. Sadly, I didn't freaking play it, but it is what it is. And as you can see here, from 412, we rebounded close to 6%. And this is where we currently are right now, for a total of $28 from 412. That was a huge mistake on my part. However, I still don't see, and I don't know where we are. I don't know how to count this. I am seeing it as a potential 335. Or a WXY complex correction. So ABC down, ABC up, and then we should be getting five legs down. So if any of you guys are into Elliott wave, you guys know that 4 cannot touch 1, which it did. And the rule that says that the only time it could touch is in the case of a wedge, or in this case you see an expanded, not an expanded triangle, expanding wedge. So I do think that unless we could break over, and we get a little fake out here. So fake outs are the worst breakdowns in the case that it does. So if we don't reclaim above 450, I am still not bullish. I know at 442, this level here, we're going to see some sort of resistance because this is a fresh rally-based drop level. So we are going to react somewhere here. I am currently in puts. I do think that we get one more leg down to complete 5 down, and that's where we'll potentially rip or at least get a short-term bounce, probably until here, and then we continue downwards because I don't see the correction as done. But you see this pattern over here, and it looks very, very similar to this pattern over here, which gave us a close to 10% move up. I don't know if we will get a melt up. I think a lot of people are anticipating that the feds will not raise the interest because of political uncertainty. I don't know what's going to happen. I am just going to play levels. So 442, this is where I would want to look for a short opportunity. I do think we're going to react out of there. And other stock I am looking at for the short term would be SoFi. SoFi, this is a great long-term stock. I do think that we're going to get some upside here, and on the 2-hour time frame we could potentially see an inverted head and shoulders here. Earnings is coming up. SoFi has one of the lowest market caps for a quote-unquote bank, or at least a bank to become a bank. Earnings is next week, and I do think that if we do break this inverted head and shoulders, it will be the earnings catalyst that would propel this up and beyond the supply level right here. As you can see, we rejected it to the tick last time. It came back down approximately 10%. So I do think that if anything, earnings will potentially break this up and beyond this supply level, and also break above this inverted head and shoulders where the neckline is right here. So that's on close watch. Another one that's on close watch would be CRM for earnings. One of our members in our Discord brought it up, and there was a $25 million CRM call right here, if you guys can see, and it looks like an opening, but for May 20th. Very, very expensive contracts, but I don't know if they're playing it for earnings. And everyone apparently on Twitter is talking about CRM. So let's see. It's down a lot in the past 3 months, and the open interest still shows that people are in it. So let's see. And other, Tesla, and other stock that we absolutely demolished, and it will be on watch, will be Tesla. We noted that callerputs.com, and from that level, I mean, if you watch my TikTok, from that level we went up a total of $134 from the golden call. I don't know if we will continue higher, but the next level of supply I have would be up here at the 918. This could run because over the weekend we got a Elon Musk saying that they're sending Ukraine some help by giving them the Starlink satellites so that people cannot hack their service, and they'll have one of the fastest internet services ever. You know, from that, I am assuming potentially that people will see some sort of bullish news on Tesla, although Starlink isn't necessarily, I mean, it isn't necessarily connected to Tesla. Elon has fans, and I think they're gonna ramp this crap up if in the case that people saw the news and they're like, yo, Starlink is gonna be the next gen type of deal. I think Tesla's gonna get a run up. Another one is Bond. This one I am watching. Top stocks as of right now is SoFi, and the regular ES, which is SPY, and Bond. This looks ready to rip. It looks like a huge bull flag on the daily, and it looks like it's going to go so far. Huge volume prior on this accumulation near the $3 level, and also over here at the $4 level. So I do think this goes and rips crazy. Think within the next week, I don't know. A lot of uncertainty. This is a penny stock, but I do think this is gonna rip really, really soon. I just don't know when. It looks ready to break above this bull flag. So let's keep an eye on that one as well. But with that being said, I am out. It's not much stocks I am watching, to be honest, because Airbnb can be one. Potential move up to this 170 level. But there's nothing really to watch. I think the main watch is really just the market in general, which we are gonna watch. SoFi is really because of earnings, and it's a long-term investment. So I think that's why I'm keeping an eye out on it. But besides that, you really just need to focus on the general market, as that's what's gonna propel everything up. Coinbase looks like it will go higher as well. I think we also had news that Ukrainians are using crypto as a way for donations. So it looks like a nice, I do think we get continued downside. This looks like a textbook triangle, but this could just potentially be a ABC up from here. So you get the A, B as the triangle, and one more leg up, potentially to here around the 193 level before we continue downwards. But yep, this projection has been working out really nicely. If you check out our coin projection, I hope I can find it fast, but so here we said that it touched our way for projection and that it should continue lower, which it did. As you can see here, we got this move down, touched it, and then came back down more. But we even caught it way before that. Let me just try to find it. 223, nope, 222. No, this is trading chat. 217, all right. So we got coin right here. Right beneath this wedge, we said that it's gonna continue way lower to our 1.61 target, which it touched to the T, as you can see over here. And if you guys want, obviously this is free, the video. If you guys want alerts and stuff like that, make sure to check out chancetrades.com. And for option sweeps, check out this website, callerputs.com, which I own as well, but it provides me what I look for in an option sweep. and what I focus on as a trader, and Confluent with TA, we apply that within our Discord channel. So check that out. Don't just use sweeps to trade. Make sure you apply some sort of TA to it. But with that being said, I am out and I am going to church. So I see you guys later.